Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Diana. I'm an affiliate marketer and I'm here to help you succeed in this business. So welcome to video number 4 of the Affiliate Marketing Basics series, where we are putting all the pieces of the puzzle together for affiliate marketing success. If you haven't seen the first 3 videos, go ahead and watch them first because I explain all the basics and key things to know. Okay, so in this video, we'll dive into some tips to build your affiliate business, like why working backwards is a smart move. We are going to understand what is customer acquisition, the power of emails and lead magnets. With this, we can bring it all into one powerful strategy. Okay, so let's start with this tip. We are learning to think in reverse. When you're thinking about affiliate marketing, you need to work backwards. This is, we need to know what people want before we even think about what to sell them. You need to start by identifying who wants to buy what and not what do I want to sell. This is how you can find your prospect's journey and lead them step by step through the buying process to make a purchase. So first, you need to consider your market. You need to establish a profitable market that you want to be in. Don't worry, this is easy. You just have to think about a niche, about a category where you want to make sales. Do not fall into the trap of deciding you have a product and then looking for a market to sell it. Remember, think backwards here, guys. My advice is that you can always play safe and start with the most proven and popular markets, things like wealth, health, fitness, and relationships. These ones will work. Once you've chosen one niche, research how competitive the market is. You're looking for markets that are active but not swamped or saturated. Think about a niche where you have an opportunity to thrive. The more focused the market, the better. You should know your customer and you should know the market you're in. Next step is you need to identify the product to promote. So here you will want to find a successful product with a good offer that you can get behind and promote. You need to ask if the product fits with the market you choose. If not, guys, keep looking. Remember, we've identified a specific market and a targeted customer profile. So don't be tempted to take something and make it look for something that is not. If it's not focused on your market and its pain point, trust me, it will not work. So if you find a product you like, try to answer these questions. Ask if the product will pay enough to make it worth your time and effort. Ask if the product is something that you feel comfortable promoting. If it's according to your values. Does it offer value for money? Do you believe in the product? Is the product something that you will buy? These are some pointers to look for when finding a product. And the vendor. Ask yourself if you feel comfortable with the vendor. Are they providing the support and materials that you need to make a sale? Do they have enough information? Do they have a good customer support? Are you happy that you're going to be associated with the vendor? Will it damage your reputation? Think about those things. You're looking for that sweet spot with a market and a product that offers a solution all come together. And guys, there are tons of products that do, so don't worry. Okay, so once you have the product, we can focus on new customer acquisition. This is simple, don't worry. So your vendor will supply you with a sales page. Remember, your job as an affiliate marketer is to direct your prospects to the sales page so they buy. That's it. You will be paid on the work you've done to drive those customers to that sales page, and you're gonna get paid for each and every single sale you make. So this is how it works. When you register as an affiliate, the vendor will give you a URL which contains your unique affiliate ID. It is to that URL that you will direct your prospects, and each sale is linked to your affiliate ID, and that's how you will get paid. Again, remember, your job is driving traffic, so turning prospects into customer. And this is the process that can take days, weeks, and even months. So guess what? Emails are the star here. Emails become extremely important in this process. Emails have an incredible return on investment on impressive conversion rates, even bigger than social media. If you compare, for instance, Facebook and Twitter, emails have 40% better conversion rates. But guys, emails need to be sent on a regular basis. They should be personalized and targeted. That's how you'll convert prospects into sales. I think we will cover email marketing and more on the next video, so don't worry about emails. The important thing here is that you need to have email addresses. And the way to capture those email addresses is through lead magnets. Lead magnets are freebies that grab attention and offer value, making people want to share their email with us. A lead magnet is designed to stop people as they are scrolling through your page or through social media, actually. It is an item of value that is attractive to our prospect, something that they see as value and that they want to have. So a lead magnet will be offered for free in return for the email address. Guys, it's the email addresses that are actually valuable to the marketer. This way you can drive all those prospects to your sales page so you can make sales. A lot of information, right? So let's put this all together. The magic formula is like this. 1, you have to clarify your target market. 2, you have to pick a product that aligns with your needs. 3, you have to set up a trail of engaging emails, gently leading them to your offer. 4, you have to sweeten the deal with a lead magnet, an amazing one, so you can then 5, drive traffic to your offer page. Remember, this is just the beginning. Dive into next video for more exciting insights and next steps to follow. So I hope you find this useful. Remember to check my social media accounts and the link I have in my channel for a free detailed ebook on how to get started with affiliate marketing. This is great, guys, and I know it will help you a lot. So as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And if you like this video and want to learn more ways in how to make money online, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of this valuable content. Thanks for watching, and as always, let's make things happen.